Hello graphic designers, in this tutorial you will learn how to create duotone effect in Photoshop 2023. This method is very simple and easy. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. Let's start. First unlock your layer and press Ctrl+J to copy. Double-click to open layer style. Here you will uncheck these two options in channels, so we turned off the green and blue channel. Select first layer and double-click to open layer style. This time turn off the red channel option, and click OK. Select first layer and press Ctrl+T. Right-click and flip horizontal. Now adjust the image as you like. Increase size of first image to give it a dramatic duotone look. If you like this tutorial, give it a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching.